Okay, so what I got here is a repair kit that has several tools here for putting a plug in a tire. I got the razor blade and a tool here, and then these are the plugs that you could put in to plug a tire, and the cleaning tool here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to, there's a screw right here, or a nail that got in my tire, and I'm going to try to fix that without taking the tire off of the car. So, got some soap here so you can see it has a slow leak. There's a little bit of leak coming out of there. So I'm going to try to take that. I left it in so that it wouldn't leak to begin with. So we're going to work on that. Okay, so I've got a pair of pliers here that I'm going to use to take that nail out. And here's one of the plugs that I took out of the, peeled out of here, out of my supply of tire plugs. So I'm going to put that through this thing, get it ready. There's the plug. Then I've got some like glue here that I'm going to put on the end here so that it'll help seal the hole. And I'll have that all ready, waiting for me behind here. And then I have this tool ready to go. It's a rasping tool that'll clear out that hole once I get it out. So I'm going to leave that here. Once I pull the nail out, it'll start leaking. This has been in my tire for about a year. There it goes. Okay. It takes a little force to get it in there. There we go. So I'm just screwing it in there. Okay, so I've got that all the way in. I've got my plug ready to go here. So I'm going to pull this out and stick this in as quickly as possible. Okay, and that should do it, believe it or not. I'll get my little cutter here and cut off the part that's exposed. And let's see if it's still leaking. Soapy water. And No sign of leaking, so I think it's fixed. So that's how you do it.